Welcome to Redline Review.
The 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach epitomizes motorhome luxury with its handcrafted construction, cutting-edge technology, and custom design. A detailed review of this remarkable vehicle, overview engineering and luxury combine in the 2025 Liberty Coach, built on the 45-foot Prevost H3-45 chassis. Each Liberty Coach has unique interiors and exteriors for the most selective customers, demonstrating its quality. Engineering and performance. Chassis and suspension. The Prevost H3-45 chassis monocoque structure and low center of gravity ensure stability and smooth riding. Its fully independent front suspension improves handling and comfort on varied terrains. Powertrain. The coach has a Volvo D13 engine with 500 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque, combined with an Allison 6-speed automated transmission for reliable operation. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, ESP, lane departure warning, and Liberty's blind spot detection system enhance driving safety. Interior splendor. Design and materials. Kim Koenigseiter's interiors feature luxury materials including waterfall worktops, Prana Sleep king beds, and custom quilted linen. Owner's styles are reflected in each coach. Integrate technology. Highly advanced Crestron control systems, accessible via iPad or iPhone, provide efficient administration of lighting, climate, and entertainment systems. The Volta 58-volt lithium-ion battery system reduces generator use by managing electricity efficiently. Enjoy immersive entertainment with audiophile-grade KF speakers and numerous UHD TVs, including a 65-inch outdoor unit. Exterior aesthetics. Custom paintwork. Dean Lux works with owners to develop unique exterior designs for each coach. Functional design. The coach's aerodynamic structure improves fuel efficiency and adds a sleek appearance. Price and ownership. Price. The 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach ranges from $2 million to $3 million, according on personalization and extras. Liberty Coach offers great customer support and service, benefiting owners despite the coach's complexity requiring careful upkeep. Pros and cons. The pros include personalized luxury options, advanced safety and technology, high-quality build and durability. Cons, high acquisition and maintenance costs, limited accessibility due to size. Complex systems may require specialized troubleshooting. Conclusion, luxury and sophistication define the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach motorhome. For the discerning traveler, it rivals 5-star hotels, making every trip unique.